All right, I am here, excuse me, at the Grady County Historical Society. And I'm out here on kind of a crummy, rainy day, but this is an area I don't normally go through, so I figured I'd come check it out. It's a nice old building. The cash registers always end up at the Historical Society. Oh, this one's interesting. It's kind of different. I've never seen one quite like that. I've been looking for a cash register kind of like this one, where they're kind of an upright kind of configuration. Really nothing to see there, I guess. Oh, I'm sorry. Is it a problem? I'll stop.
We really don't like for everything to be photographed. The
Oh,
occasional items is one thing, but everything, no.
okay.
Not without double checking why you
No,
want.
no problem. No problem. Sorry to bother you guys.